The community of Tundavala in the southwest of Angola is a rural community that grows a great variety of crops. One of these crops is very special. You don't eat it, and it doesn't require work on a farm. In fact, it is cultivated by nature, and all you have to do is to not destroy it. It's wild birds that are flying freely in Tundavala. This territory has been blessed with a variety of ecosystems that provide habitat for many special birds. Some of them are more easily observed in Tundavala than anywhere else on the planet. A group of local people were trained as birdwatching guides, and with much enthusiasm and dedication, they became experts in the local bird life. One of the most common environments around Tundavala is rocky habitat, accompanied by forest. In this habitat, you can appreciate the striking songs of different birds. Two of them are the rock runner, a bird of restricted distribution, and the Angola cave chat, a bird almost endemic to Angola, which can be observed in Tundavala more easily than anywhere else. Near concentrations of flowers, we can find several species of sunbirds looking for nectar. Two of them have restricted ranges, the Ustilet sunbird and the Montane double-collared sunbird. The more open areas are perfect habitat for birds that eat seeds. Even for the endemic Angola waxbill. The riverside forests of the upper Tundavala area also contain several interesting birds, like the endemic Angola slaty flycatcher, and others of restricted distribution, like the gray apellis and Bocage's acalat. Among so many birds, it is difficult to choose a star, but a strong candidate is the white-bellied barbet. This bird is endemic to Angola and known from few sites away from Tundavala. For 40 years, this bird was not observed around Tundavala, and many thought it locally extinct. Until it was rediscovered in 2017. The guides of Tundavala found the first two known nests of this species and managed to find 3 territories. Now birdwatchers have excellent chances of observing this rare species. The guides work together with the community to raise awareness and care for the white-bellied barbet and the other birds in their habitats. More than 140 species of birds have been recorded around Tundavala to date. The community and the guides invite bird and nature lovers to come and enjoy their precious harvest, special birds in their natural habitat.